Okay, another beautiful day. You can hear that noise in the background. Garage doors are going in. I can't wait. It took this guy literally a few hours. One man, he installed these two 16-foot doors by himself. And yeah, very nice, very nice. Of course, the concrete at the bottom, there's a couple of corners that are going to have to be ground where the finishing wasn't quite done right for the, you see right here, the taper. This taper should be in this corner, so that would allow that door to go all the way down and make a perfect seal. But yeah, very nice installation. Of course, all manual now because we're waiting on electrical, but there you go. Doors are wide open. Yeah, everything looks good. Like I said, I'm glad this was subbed out. My builder subbed this out to a proper door installer, and I think that's the way to go. I talked to the guy a little bit, been doing this for 20 years, so there's no guessing, there's no wondering if it's crooked or straight. It looks good. Okay, and as promised, they came through with the glass, and that's going to help to add a little bit of natural light in here. Okay, I'm going to shut this door now and lock it, and then I'm going to take a little bit of a view from the outside to see what this looks like. Okay, there is the finished garage. Still got to come back and do a little cleanup. There's a little bit of cladding that's got to be done around the man doors. And again, they're going to have to polish this concrete up in the corners so the door sits flush. But that's my finished product. So, like I mentioned in the last video, I do have an electrician hired. He was going to start right away, but I was just talking with him, and now he can't come till June, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I mean, let's face it, June, that'll give me a couple more months to scrape up the money for him, because, you know, electricians don't work for free. So yeah, there we have it. Kind of the finished look on the outside of my 24 by 48 four-car garage. So essentially, I took two 24 by 24 package garages, and I got them to join them together. And 10-foot walls, scissor trusses to give us a little bit of height on the inside. That allowed me to go with 2x4 construction, save a few bucks. And there we have it. 16-foot doors. They are, what do you call that, 8-foot doors? Same as the house. I would have had the space to do taller doors, but apparently to get the taller doors, it would have been double the price. So I think this is okay. I've already had my Tacoma in there. My Tacoma is pretty high. It's lifted, and I was able to drive in there no problem. So unless I get a monster truck or a Suburban or something, well, I should be okay. I'll cross that bridge anyway if I do. So that's all for now. I think the next time I film again, it should be maybe starting to put my cars away in there. Or maybe I'll try to do a bit of footage of the electrician when he comes. But for now, that's the garage build. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate everybody tuning in to my channel and to listening to me babble. That's all for now. And we'll catch you in the next video.